Today's video from Sharp Help, we're going to run through basic operation on the XEA213 register. So first things first, you need the reg key in the reg mode. So that's in the register position here, and then you need 0.00 displayed on screen, and that means the machine's ready to use. The only thing that may cause you any problems from here is whether you're logged in or not. So if you try and sell one of your items and you get a message not assigned, that means that there's no operator logged on to the machine. So to rectify that, you press CL to clear the error message, and then number 1 followed by the CLK hash key over here will sign you in as operator 1. So the machine is now ready to use. You're in the reg mode and you're logged on. So on the machine, all your individual product buttons are these ones here, numbered 1 to 70. If your machine's been pre-programmed, then it's likely that you'll actually have a customized keyboard with individual products printed on them. So the way you use the machine is simply by pressing each button that's been pre-programmed, and it will come up with the description and price on screen for you. Once you've entered all the items, you hit the subtotal key, and then the sale can then be cashed off. So if the customer's paying by cash, £10 for example, you would type in 1000 without pressing the decimal point, because the till will input that for you. And then the cashing off key, if they're paying in cash, is this one here, TLNS. The drawer will fire, allowing you to dispense the change. And the reason why I type in the exact amount of money is because the change is then displayed on screen, and it'll also print on the receipt if you've got it in receipt mode. So it just makes it easier and less chance for making a mistake with the cash. If you don't get a receipt printout but you want a receipt printout, it means your receipt's been switched off, but you can print a receipt on request. So that'll then print out, so we can see there that the change is displayed. If you want to turn the receipt on so it prints out automatically all the time, you turn the key to this XZ position here, and then you can toggle between receipt on or receipt off. We'll pop ours into receipt on mode, and then you must remember to turn the key back to the reg mode. If you take a payment by card, then you've got a couple of different, on this machine you've actually got 5 method of payment buttons, so you need to decide between CH1, CH2, CR1 and CR2 as to what method of payments they're going to be. You can customise them, so in our programming videos we'll demonstrate how you can customise these to be PayPal or card payment or online payment, so it just makes your reporting a lot easier. So if we pop a different sale through, the buttons work exactly the same as the TLNS button, but what I'll do is I'll show you on an end of day report that you get out of the machine. So somewhere on the report it will detail the different methods of payment. So you've got a cash amount here of 195.13, and then also the credit to, because I must have used the credit to button at some point. So it just makes it easier when you're breaking your or cashing up at the end of the day. It makes it easier to work out where the money's come from. So I'll turn the key back to the reg mode. I've covered most of the basics of how to process a sale and use the register in this video. Obviously we've got plenty of other videos appearing on the 213 showing you how to correct a mistake you've made, or to program products on the machine, or your receipt header message, so you're welcome to check those videos out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.